Indian art consists of a variety of art forms, including painting, sculpture, pottery, and textile arts such as woven silk. Geographically, it spans the entire Indian subcontinent, including what is now India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and at times eastern Afghanistan. A strong sense of design is characteristic of Indian art and can be observed in its modern and traditional forms. The origin of Indian art can be traced to prehistoric settlements in the 3rd millennium. On its way to modern times, Indian art has had cultural influences, as well as religious influences such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism and Islam. In spite of this complex mixture of religious traditions, generally, the prevailing artistic style at any time and place has been shared by the major religious groups. In historic art, sculpture in stone and metal, mainly religious, has survived the Indian climate better than other media and provides most of the best remains. Many of the most important ancient finds that are not in carved stone come from the surrounding, drier regions rather than India itself. Indian funeral and philosophic traditions exclude grave goods, which is the main source of ancient art in other cultures. The history of Indian art dates back to the prehistoric times, with evidence of cave paintings and rock art found in places such as Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh and the Edakkal caves in Kerala. The Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE, also provides evidence of early Indian art through pottery, sculpture, and seals. The Gupta Empire, 320 CE to 550 CE, is considered the golden age of Indian art, with the development of iconic Hindu and Buddhist sculptures, frescoes, and paintings. The Ajanta and Ellora caves, carved out of volcanic rock in Maharashtra, are a testament to the artistic achievements of this period. During the medieval period, Islamic art influenced Indian art, leading to the creation of stunning monuments such as the Qutub Minar and the Taj Mahal. The Mughal Empire, 1526 to 1858, brought about the creation of exquisite miniature paintings, calligraphy, and Islamic architecture. The Indian independence movement of the early 20th century saw a surge of nationalist art, with artists like Nandalal Bose and Jamini Roy incorporating Indian folk traditions into their work. Today, Indian art continues to evolve, with contemporary artists experimenting with new mediums and pushing the boundaries of traditional styles. The Government of India has also established institutions such as the National Museum and the Lalit Kala Academy to promote and preserve Indian art. Indian artists' styles historically followed Indian religions out of the subcontinent, having an especially large influence in Tibet, Southeast Asia and China. Indian art has itself received influences at times, especially from Central Asia and Iran, and Europe. Thanks for watching.